All right, now let's go ahead and understand this configuration bit first before talking to the demo thing which we can see in the preview window itself. So if we just come to that configuration piece here, right? So you see this is already filled in, and this is what it was asking the details like. So the web explorer and the tailored insights with a friendly professional tone. The description is right. So what it is coming over here, you can obviously come and tweak it here, and in terms of instructions, this is what is embedded from our previous conversation what we were having during the creation of this, the tailored GPT itself here. So it says like web explorer's primary function is to offer concise and accurate information from the internet, responding in a professional yet friendly tone and elaborating when requested, of course. For vague and open-ended questions, you should ask clarifying questions to ensure an accurate, relevant responses. So you can always ask for, you can provide more instructions to that to be more specific in case if you feel necessary for that. But I think we are fine with this particular demo wherein we are going to stick to this, which we have already, provided into the previous videos itself. Now these are the conversation starters, like what are the best breakthroughs which you can see here, latest breakthroughs in renewable energy, what is the new into the AI technology, what's happening into this new, what's new in the world of AI technology. You can see these things are getting listed over here. So this is how you can customize here in case if you like to list down something related with your course or something or some specific topic to yourself, so you can also put that. And I mean, whatsoever if you like, or if you like to put anything extra, you can obviously do that or delete that if any of these things which you don't want to have here. You can upload the knowledge base as well, which you can see uploading your files first of all, which means here you can upload any kind of file to here this particular place, and this can take entirely anything, and do that churning on top of that. Let's say you have uploaded this PDF, and on top of that you like to have first data set, where in your PDF to be looked at first, and then it should go to that world, I mean the web outside of that, right? Once it has done that searching into your database, and then it should look out for the broader horizon, so it can also do that. So this you just need to tell into that particular instructions itself, and it is certainly going to do that. And I would like to do this code interpreter as well, and let's talk about this action into the other video. Basically, once you like to create this new action, so this is entirely a new paradigm for that, so we'll discuss into that the other video itself. So let's go ahead and check this particular demo into that next video itself.